Road safety has become an increasing concern for drivers everywhere. With the rise in traffic congestion, unpredictable driving behaviors, and unforeseen accidents, having a reliable tool to capture every moment on the road has never been more essential. Rear-view mirror dash cams offer a unique solution, seamlessly integrating into your vehicle to provide a comprehensive view of both the road ahead and behind. These innovative devices not only serve as your standard rear-view mirror, but also double up as powerful cameras, recording high-definition footage to ensure you have evidence in case of any incidents or emergencies. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 rear-view mirror dash cams that stand out for their performance, features, and overall value, helping you make an informed decision to enhance your driving experience and safety on the road. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. OBP K4-Com. With its front UHD4 K2160p and rear 1080p recording capabilities, the K4 ensures that every detail of your drive is crystal clear. Plus, its 11.26-inch ultra-wide-angle full-view touchscreen allows you to effortlessly navigate through its features. Whether it's license plates, road signs, or critical details on the road, the K4 captures it all with exceptional clarity and smoothness, thanks to its WDR and auto adjusting brightness streaming mirror. The K4 isn't just a dash cam, it's a smart companion for your journey. With the latest CarPlay and Android Auto features, you can easily make calls, listen to music, send and receive messages, and even use navigation all hands-free. Worried about getting lost? Don't be. With built-in GPS tracking, the K4 displays your speed, coordinates, and track, ensuring you always know where you're headed. And with its 5GHz high-speed Wi-Fi, you can preview real-time images, view historical records, and quickly download pictures all at lightning speed. Plus, with built-in Bluetooth and FM transmitter capabilities, as well as an AUX function, you can enjoy seamless audio integration with your car's stereo system. Whether you're cruising solo or connected to your phone, the K4 adapts to your needs. As a streaming dash cam, it records every moment of your drive. And when connected to CarPlay or Android Auto, it becomes your ultimate driving companion, enriching your journey with enhanced functionality. Pros: high-quality video, wide viewing angle, CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, multifunction audio output. Cons: touchscreen requires additional module for GPS tracking, 24-hour parking mode requires additional wiring. Number 4. BlueAvido Dash Cam. Thanks to its 4G network support, you can navigate online GPS faster and smoother than ever before. And with detailed maps and free updates, you'll always stay on the right track, no matter where your journey takes you. Navigating complex interchanges? Not a problem. BlueAvido's Lane Assist with Junction View guides you effortlessly through even the trickiest of intersections, ensuring you never miss a turn. Worried about your car when you're not around? BlueAvido has you covered. With remote monitoring and GPS logger tracking, you can keep an eye on your vehicle from anywhere in the world, giving you peace of mind like never before. BlueAvido's DAS Plus feature makes driving safer than ever, while its full HD video quality ensures crystal clear footage, capturing every detail on the road ahead. Need more than one perspective? BlueAvido's got you covered with its multi-screen display and dual-cam recording capabilities, allowing you to capture every angle of your journey with ease. Stay connected on the go with BlueAvido's built-in Wi-Fi, enabling fast web browsing and access to your favorite apps. Plus, with Bluetooth hands-free function, making calls and playing music has never been easier or safer. Pros: 4G network and GPS navigation, detailed maps with free updates, full HD video quality, dual camera recording, auto reverse parking view. Cons: video quality, field of view, ease of use. Number 3. AZDOME PG17-Com. With its 2K high-quality dual lens and full touch screen, the AZDOME PG17-Cam offers unparalleled clarity and control. Its 11.8-inch anti-glare high-sensitivity full touchscreen allows you to adjust the angle of the front lens with just a few taps, ensuring you capture every moment with precision. And don't let the darkness stop you. Equipped with super night vision technology, the ASDOME PG-17 ensures clear and detailed images, whether it's day or night. Say goodbye to blurry footage and hello to crystal clear recordings. With its 1080p smart dual lens camera, the ASDOME PG-17 captures every detail of your drive, providing superior picture quality and ensuring you have all-round protection on the road. From license plates to road signs, nothing escapes its watchful eye. Worried about running out of storage space? Fear not. With loop recording, the ASDOME PG-17 automatically overwrites the oldest files, so you never miss a moment. Plus, with its parking assistance mode, parking has never been easier. Installation is a breeze with the ASDOME PG-17. Simply attach it to your rearview mirror using the provided rubber straps, and you're good to go. No need to remove your factory mirror or deal with complicated wiring. It's that easy. The ASDOME PG-17 comes packed with features like G-sensors, which automatically lock and store video in case of an accident, providing you with valuable evidence when you need it most. Plus, with a host of accessories included. Pros: 2K high-quality dual lens and full touchscreen, super night vision, parking assistance mode, G-sensor. Cons: larger size, lower resolution rear camera, mixed reviews on video quality, limited warranty. Number 2. Bluevito CarPlay-Com. First up, the 4G network support. Stay connected wherever you go with Bluevito's 4G capability, allowing you to surf the internet on the go. Dual COM simultaneously recording captures every angle of your journey, ensuring you never miss a moment. Say goodbye to parking woes with the auto-reverse parking view, providing a seamless parking experience every time. Navigate with confidence using Bluevito's GPS navigation, enhanced by its 3GA 4G network function for real-time updates. Keep an eye on your vehicle remotely and track its location with ease using the Remote Monitor and GPS Logger tracking feature. Sync your smartphone seamlessly with CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling hands-free calls, messages, and navigation. Safety is paramount with Bluevito's DAS+, providing advanced driver assistance for a safer driving experience. Stay connected on the go with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing for fast web browsing and connectivity for all your devices. Experience blazing fast performance with Bluevito's Android 10 systems, ensuring smooth operation and access to your favorite apps. Rest easy with Bluevito's 24H parking monitor, capturing any suspicious activity with its motion detection and collision recording. Protect critical footage with Bluevito's GS sensor, automatically capturing and safeguarding important files in the event of an accident. Pros: CarPlay and Android Auto, 4G network and built-in Wi-Fi, dual cameras, GPS navigation, a DAS features. Cons: brand reputation, potential for compatibility issues, price. Number 1. 70 MAY S500 Dashcam. With its expansive 9.35-inch full laminated touchscreen, experience a crystal-clear view of the road with no blind spots. Adjust brightness and reposition images with simple touch gestures, making your driving experience smarter and more intuitive than ever before. Equipped with Sony Starvis 2 IMX675 sensor, the S500 delivers exceptional image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Prepare to be amazed by its clarity and detail, even at night. Never miss a moment on the road with dual-channel HDR recording. Rest assured your footage is safely stored with automatic file replacement, while emergency recordings are saved separately for added peace of mind. With multi-view options, including split-screen and picture-in-picture display, you have full control of your viewing experience. Switch seamlessly between front and rear cameras for a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Parking has never been easier. The S500 automatically provides parking assist lines when in reverse, tailored to your vehicle type for stress-free parking. Say goodbye to distractions with voice control. Simply speak commands like take photo or show rear camera to capture moments and switch views without lifting a finger. In the event of a collision, the dashcam's buffered emergency recording ensures you have all the footage you need for accident reconstruction without overwriting any crucial data. Pros: large touchscreen display, high-quality image, dual-channel HDR recording, multiple viewing options, parking assistance features, buffered emergency recording, 24/7 parking surveillance. Cons: potentially higher price, larger size, limited storage capacity, reliance on the app. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.